Ever wish you could teleport directly to that elusive item in Walmart? The Walmart app can practically do that. First, open the Walmart app and make sure your preferred store is selected. If not, tap on the store name at the top to change it. Next, use the search bar at the top of the screen, type in the item you're looking for, then press enter or the search icon. Once you find your item in the search results, tap on it to view the product details page here. You'll often see the exact location listed, like aisle 12 or dairy. For an even better visual, look for an option to view in store map or see on map. Tapping this will open a digital layout of the store. On this map, your item's precise location will be clearly marked, making it incredibly easy to navigate directly to it instead of aimlessly wandering. This feature saves you precious time and effort, transforming your shopping trip into a smooth and efficient experience. Happy shopping and enjoy finding exactly what you need, right when you need it.